Hi, hello. Welcome you all once again to an important learning video for all whoever writes an article. So today our topic of interest is on something called Mendeley, reference management software. Although there are lots of reference management software like Zotero, EndNote and etc., Mendeley is like very familiar and very comfortable for usage up to my perspective. So in Mendeley, we have something called 3 downloads: reference manager, web importer and citation plugin. Let us see one by one. So first let us go with the reference manager. So this is where you should download the reference manager. After downloading, this is how it look like. Initially this page will be completely empty and there will be none of the collections here. It will be completely empty. Before we go into detail on how to use this Mendeley, let me narrate what is the importance of learning Mendeley. So this is one of my paper in which I had used Mendeley Reference Manager for citation of article. These are called citations. This is 1, 2, 3, and in this article we have around 33 references total. And here we have something called Mendeley word plugin. Here in the right corner, top right corner, Mendeley site, there is a Mendeley word plugin. So here, what is the importance in learning Mendeley Reference Manager is that if I send this article to journal, if the journal needs some corrections in this 7th reference, if the same task should be done with the paper in which I had done references manually, if I want to remove the 7th reference, then I should manually change the 8 into 7 and so on. And also I should rework on this list of references also, removing this particular 7th reference, and I should make the reformatting and everything. It's a quite very tedious process. This will be made much more simpler. Let me explain you. So journal editor has suggested this reference needs some change, and this select the 7th and remove. What is happening is, after a couple of seconds, this previously this was being numbered as 8 here, but this has been converted into 7, 8, 9 and as so on. It has been changed, it has been updated. Here you can see that the 7th references had vanished and the 8th references had taken the number of 7. This is the benefit of citing the references using a reference manager. And also few journals were very particular. They will not be entertaining the article which had used manual references. So now let's go with learning how to cite the references. Let me make a new collection now. Demo file. This file is completely empty, so I need some references. So let me take some topics. For example, I need this article to be cited in my paper. Let me open this paper. Here you should have been seeing small icon, right? If I click on the Mendeley web importer, this plugin, this is the pop-out which we are getting, in which the article is been present. Just click on to the article, open to the collection that you had, open to the collection where you want to place the article, click add. It is getting added, adding. A couple of seconds, this part will be done. So here this particular article has been added in my Mendeley Reference Manager. Here you can see that previously this particular demo file is completely empty. Now we have got the reference which we had added, authors, year, title and the source, the journal name. So now let's learn how to cite this. For example, if I want to cite that article somewhere in the middle, somewhere between 8 and 9 and 10 to 11. Here if I want to add that particular reference, go to the collection where you had added the file. Go to the collection. This is the collection name and this is the article which we had added. Initially you will not be seeing this particular article. Every time you add a particular article in your collection, just click the 3 dots and click to the update from library. Then whatever references you are added in the Mendeley Reference Manager will be automatically updated in this Mendeley site also. So as I said, I want to cite it over here. After this dot, click on this, go to the place where you want to add, click on the insert citation. It had automatically taken the number of 10, so 8 and 9, 11 and 12. In between it had taken the 10. Let us go to the list of references. Good. So this is the references which we had added. So simple as such. If you have any doubt with this concept, please do let me know. Place it in comments. I'll try to respond it immediately. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And by the way, stay updated for the forthcoming videos. Thank you.